Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Rehana Parveen, principal at Fahim's schooling system. Education is necessary for all of us, and continuation of education is most necessary. And because due to pandemic, we are losing it, but we are trying to keep it on track. We are organizing a science and art exhibition at our school, the Fahim's schooling system, between 10 to 2 p.m. And you are inviting to attend our exhibition to appreciate our students. And we are cordially invited you all, if you get time, to visit our school and attend our science and art exhibition to appreciate our students regarding their work they have done, so that their confidence must be boosted up. And we are offering both metric and Cambridge system. Thank you all for your cooperation. Must visit the school if you got time at Fahim's schooling system between 10 to 2 p.m. Thank you so much.